Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cameras. On the left, we have the ARIFAYZ Dashcam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera, and on the right we have the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Get ready for some serious comparison action. Let's start with the most important aspect of any dash camera, the video quality. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam boasts FHD 1080p resolution, capturing crystal clear footage during the day and night. Meanwhile, the Miden S7 takes it up a notch with an impressive 2.5K front video and FHD 1080p rear video. It's like having your own personal movie studio in your car. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and live streaming. You can even share your videos on social media with just a tap. On the other hand, the Miden S7 keeps it simple with a 3.2-inch IPS screen and user-friendly interface. No need for fancy apps, just pure dash cam goodness. Time to dive into the extra features that make these cameras shine. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam comes with a 24-hour parking mode, perfect for keeping an eye on your car, even when you're not around. Plus, it has seamless loop recording and a G sensor to capture and protect important footage. But wait, the Miden S7 has something to say. It also offers loop recording and a 3-axis G sensor, but it takes it a step further with its super night vision and parking monitor. It's like having a superhero watching over your car. Time to talk about installation. The ARIFAYZ Dashcam prides itself on its compact design, taking up minimal space in your car. It's super easy to set up, even for first-time users. On the other hand, the Miden S7 combines a sleek design with an aluminum alloy case for excellent heat dissipation. It's like having a dash cam that's both stylish and cool. Both cameras proved to be worthy contenders. It all comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below to grab these amazing dash cameras at the best prices. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart.